Hello my friend, welcome. We are coming back with a new version of XAUBOT called XAUBOT AI Pro. In this version, although you have automatic trading, you also have some assistant that can help you to improve your trading skill, like technical analysis, fundamental analysis, trade manager, telegram signal, and automatic trading. In the automatic trading also, you have two options, multi-level strategy and scalp. So in this video, I want to explain you how to install XAUBOT AI Pro from scratch. So first of all, you have to register in XAUBOT.com website and choose your plan for your subscription. After registering in XAUBOT, you will receive a bot file and also your license key related to your account number. It should be noted that the account number should be the same account number that you want to use and install the bot on it. So after downloading the bot file, you will receive a zip file for your bot. So as you can see, first of all, we have to select all and extract to a specific folder. So I will choose desktop and new folder XAUBOT AI Pro. Here, as you can see, this is a file of XAUBOT AI Pro. So here you have some indicator and one main code. This is the XAUBOT AI Pro that your expert advisor, and other indicator that you have to copy and paste an indicator file, and this one you have to copy and paste in expert advisor file. So what should we do? First of all, you have to copy this file and open your MetaTrader. Your account number should be the same account number that you register in the website of XAUBOT. So first of all, you will click on File, Open Data Folder, MQL4, Expert, and here you have to paste XAUBOT AI Pro. So what next? You have to go to the files of the bot and choose the other file except XAUBOT AI Pro and copy them. Again, you will go to, so I want to tell you from scratch, you will go to File, Open Data Folder, MQL4, you will paste. What next? You should go to Tools, Option. Make sure this ticks should be enabled, and you have to add the address of https xaubot.com. It should be the same address here. So if you cannot see the address in your broker, you have to double click on it and write the address name. And after that, click on enter. That's it. Click on OK. Here you can see a navigator. If you cannot see, you will go to View and turn on the navigator. After that, you will see Expert Advisor. This is Expert Advisor. Right click and refresh. Here you can see XAUBOT AI. So first of all, you have to choose the currency that you want to trade. Our recommended currency is AUD NZD. You can see our recommended trades. I will let you know. First of all, choose AUD NZD and chart windows. Here you will double click and XAUBOT AI Pro. As you can see, this is XAUBOT. This ticks should be enabled. Input, we have license key, and here this is a recommended currencies. You can run the bot on other currencies also, but we highly recommend to use this currency. Or if you want to use other currencies, you can run in a demo account to understand what will be the risks and what will be the best for you for the parameters. Or you can use a backtest for yourself to understand which parameters will be suitable for you. Here, GBP NZD, AUD NZD, and CAD JPY. After click on OK, you can see you receive an error of invalid license key. All the clicks it work, but actually it's deactive. So first of all, you have to enter your license key. Your license key is on your email that the XAUBOT team has sent you. Please check your spam or inbox in your email to see where is your license key. After copy your license key, you should paste it here. Here you can see some parameters that you can set, and you can check from user manual what is exactly for. As you can see, you should wait for a second. You can see it's changed to premium version and it's live. Right now it's active. When you click on automatic trading, you will see you have two different strategy. First is multi-level and second is scalp. If you want to use scalp, you should choose 5 minutes time frame. And just a minute, because you will receive this error. Why? Because some brokers, the name of your symbol is different than the name that you are adding in the input. Just check here. GBP NZD, IUD NZD, comma, and you should make separate by comma between each currencies. As you can see, IUD NZD dot here, IUD NZD without dot. So what should we do in this case? First of all, I will recommend you to delete all this. So in this case, it will be a custom that the bot will run in IUD NZD. So after that, you will click on OK. You will go to automatic trading. Just wait for a second to remove this error from your account. Okay, now it's 15 minutes. I will change to 15 minutes. As you can see, it's right live now. The other currency that you want to run, for example, CAD JPY. Okay, I will click on Pro, paste, and after that I will remove it. Here I will choose 15 minutes time frame. As you can see, it's live. The other currency, for example, IUD CAD, I will choose the bot. As you can see, this one is also live. So what should we do to run the bot in only one symbol and have the other symbol in one time? Okay, here as you can see, first of all, IUD CAD dot comma, IUD NZD dot comma, and CAD JPY dot, that's it. You will click on OK. Here you will not receive an error anymore because the bot understands which currencies you want to trade. As you can see, symbol is 3 and live. So the other parameters, as you can see, this is a parameter from here till here is a parameter related to multi-level. After that is a parameter related to scalp. Here is a parameter related to the news filter. If you want to turn it on, you can make it true. This is a parameter of technical analysis, parameters for each strategy. This is a parameters of fundamental analysis, Telegram signal, and money management. So I will click on OK. So money management. If I click on money management, you will see a new tab in your system and you can trade in this case. So what exactly is for? By just try, you will understand how it works. For example, if I choose, this is a lot size. For example, I can choose my lot size. This is a pips that you want your stop loss and take profit. If you make it 0, you will not have a stop loss or take profit. You can make a limit, stop, or market. And this is a risk calculation. For example, my account, I want to make 1% risk. It will be $85 and stop loss 100 pip. So I can open 1.16 lot size. Or if my stop loss is 1000, so what's lot size I should open? It should be 0.12. And after that, I can open buy. As you can see here, I can modify my buy. This will be the ticket number. That's the same ticket number of this. So I can modify it for I can remove the stop loss or take profit. I can just add a TP1, 25% of it in 10 pip, for example, close, or 25% in 20 pip like this. And I can add a trailing stop on it. For example, if I can start from 50 pips trailing will be 100, and step will be 20. As you can see, it's right now it's green and it's working. And I can add a alarm in my account. So here, this is a symbol. I can add, for example, alarm, and I can receive the alarm in my Telegram account or in MetaTrader. I can just make one of them on or both of them, and you can add the number that you want have alarm. So here I can minimize it. I can go to Telegram signal, and you can connect your Telegram channel by token and chat ID. You can understand and search in YouTube how you can have your token and chat ID from your Telegram channel and easily add it here and connect your Telegram channel to your bot. And the other is fundamental analysis. It will analyze based on the news, based on the, for example, CPI from the last historical data from 6 months, and it will anticipate what will happen for USD or what will happen for other currency. You can click on Euro, GBP, you can click and have the anticipation for each currency in the upcoming news. This part of bot will be active very soon, and it's coming soon. It's under developing. And this one, it's technical analysis. When I click on it, you will have some strategy. First strategy is RSI plus Bollinger Band. As you can see, RSI right now you have a alarm for RSI for this is a buy. Right now it will give you buy for RSI, and you can receive the Telegram alert when you receive a buy or sell signal from RSI, Bollinger Band, and stochastic. And the next strategy is S support and resistance and breakout. As you can see, this is a support and resistance and breakout strategy. This will be very helpful strategy that will help you how to understand about support and resistance. And here, as you can see, in support and resistance strategy, in this time frame, you have sell in this strategy. And apex plus momentum, this is a great strategy. If you click on it, you will see apex and momentum. This one, it's very important. This is apex indicator. As you can see, it's near to 6 right now. If it's been near to 10, it means you will have a good buy. So here, as you can see, it's reached to 7 or 8. It should be, as you can see here, for example, it was near to 15, and after that we have a huge increase. As you can see, this is neutral, or if you choose RSI, you can see it's buy, and it gives you the signal, and you can receive your signal in Telegram, or you can receive signal in the alert in MetaTrader. And the last one is automatic trading. You can check which strategy you want to have, multi-level or scalp strategy. When you click on multi, you will have a scalp strategy. So here you can choose, because I run again in the bot, so some currencies, as you can see here, there's no dot, so because of this I received this error again. If I choose this, you will see the currencies, it's working. Now just wait for a second, you will receive a live in your account. Okay, here it's live, right now it's working. If you want to run just in one account both strategy, you can choose one currency and run the multi-level, and you can choose the, for example, USD CAD or IUD NZD for your scalp strategy and run scalp strategy in your account. For example, here I want to run another one, IUD CAD, for example, the IUD NZD. And again, I can run the bot. And here I should close. It should be noted that for scalp strategy, you cannot write different strategy, different symbols and run all of them in the same time. So here, multi-level, it's one symbol. I can add the other symbol. I can add 5, 10 symbol, and I can tell to the bot, for example, simultaneously, I have 2 symbol at the same time in my account, not more than that. and you can choose different parameters for your account. Low risk, you can choose fixed lot size if you want to take profit. You can allow the bot to open buy, sell, or others, whatever you want. You can just choose only sell and maximum drawdown, and that's it. Just by watching to the parameters, you will understand how exactly each of which work, and you can check the guideline that we provide for you. Anyway, if you have any other question, please do not hesitate to contact us through email or WhatsApp from our website.